Greetings to all of my friends in the Bahamas. As you know, it's a spring season, and I'm sending you the best wishes with the celebration of 1st of May, spring season, and new life rising up, particularly in our district where we have overcome quite cold winter season. I was for some time with no communication with you all due to number of the challenges with cold weather, with the health condition, and with the slight disappointment with some problem zone that we face periodically due to the global political situation, economical crisis. However, I would like to engage and motivate you all. Lillian Quant, John McDougall, Nadia Forbes, Joyce Smith, Dr. Kevin, Christy Gonzalez, and my daughter, Ilyana Tsiganchuk Gonzalez, and the rest of our Bahamas Wellness Association, to engage your spirit and joyfully join the movement of spreading around skills and knowledge of a true health and wellness. Through our educational program that has a wonderful name, Life Nourishment System, or the Chinese way, Yang-Shen Health Care System, or in Ayurvedic science, it's a yogi and pranic exercises that all links with the mastery of managing your energy, your soul and your spirit. That's what we are dealing as a qualified wellness specialist. I'm so glad that in a few months I have an opportunity to return back to the Bahamas and to Cuba, where we also have created a very strong small team of the young practitioners who also qualified in a medical field. We're growing, and I promised you for Christmas and New Year that we're going to win with this movement of wellness and health programs to be presented, to be executed, and to educate ourselves and our family members and close friends how to live healthy, happy, joyfully, and successful. I promised you to present to each of you who joined the Bahamas Wellness Association and who formed the leadership team for assisting our fellow Bahamians to learn what we had an opportunity to touch by our hands and to sense the importance of this mastery knowledge with our hearts. I would like to thank dear President Lillian Quant Forbes for her enthusiasm and support through all this winter. She was the one, as my sister, sharing good and not so good times of our lives. I'd like to thank John McDougall, despite that he has a number of his challenges related to his very intensive job for the government in US, assist us as a logistic director. Also, I would like to thank Dr. Kevin, though he was not very actively communicating with me during this winter season, but I understand when we are so far apart, it's very hard to identify the most important topic of today, because we're all running around to meet the ends and help each other. Also, I would like to thank Nadia Forbes for her enthusiastic mastery service to her friends, and for some videos and services that she was sharing with me, including sharing the power of our naturopathic therapy and bioenergy massage. I'm looking forward to establish very soon strong communication with our member, Dr. Liu Zilin from Eve Center in Nassau, Bahamas, because 50% of the treasure that we can apply in a bioenergy medicine comes from ancient time of practices and knowledge of traditional Chinese medicine. Also, I would like to thank the rest of our members who were silent and was supporting by us by reading my posters, publications, and invitation. And special thank for Christy Lee and her mom, Elizabeth Turnquist, because this special group led by Christy and Lee, they've been also practicing spirituality and bioenergy medicine through the Reiki techniques. I would like to hear from you more often, and I would like you start to prepare upcoming autumn and winter season for a few significant events that will take place in Havana, Cuba, and Nassau, Guyana, and Freeport, Grand Bahamas. And I would like to ask your great favor. Share your knowledge, share the videos that we have created for the past 3 years during the time of the lockdown, and we have created some of our reflection of that first introduction of the life nourishment system and meridian therapy or bioenergy medicine. There are very talented people in our association, such as Alex Taylor and his mom, and also Theotis, who have shown very good quality of bioenergy massage execution. I would like to let them know that life might change. We definitely change. But the high qualification of your knowledge will give you respect, will make you requested, in any area of the Bahamas and in the Caribbean and even around the world. You have all God gifts and talents. That's why we were able to build that team for the Bahamas. And I would like this motivational and engaging to join business briefing online video will wake you up and make you to present yourself, your questions, your vision. Where would you like to grow with us together? In a couple of months, I will meet our founders of Fohow Transnational Corporation in capital city of Russia in Moscow to discuss details on development of the wellness program Bahamas together with Fohow Corporation. I would like you just understand this historical momentum and give your impact to build up the world you live in the way that you would like to see it. Again, sending you the warmest wishes for the spring season, and I would like to hear from you. Great health and be delight.